Hey guys, it's Jordan from 6ovrcrst Rallysport. It's been a while since we have given you a video update. Our facility got broken into and all of our GoPros and drone got stolen from that guy probably. But yeah, I wanted to walk around the shop and show you what we got going on for Big Northwest is what we're trying to make it to. So let's check out Pierre.
Say my name right. Say my name right.
Pierre. Pierre. What are you doing?
I get a manual for all the mounts we have on the GC8, so we can reproduce them.
That's pretty impressive.
Try my best. Now the
Oh,
boss is coming.
big boss man.
Boss comes and delivers some coffee.
Sweet,
Wow.
huh?
There you go.
Oh man.
Best boss in the world, dude.
So we got the Widebody GC up here. Redoing it since we taped it to go down to West Coast Subaru Show. Double-sided sticky tape, which actually worked really well for what we needed it for. But now we're gonna actually use some body panel adhesive to get the panels on and do it the right way. Right. And we have the GD that we're working on. A good friend of ours is letting us put some wide body panels on here, some over fenders. We've got to get this car done by Big Northwest, which is in about a week and a half. So we have to have that painted and all the body panels on there. We're going to throw a CA shifter in there. So here's the Spec B. We just got it out of the paint booth. We just primed it. We got some guide coat on there. Rory and I are going to block it out today and hopefully get some paint on it by tomorrow. That is the plan. We're taking this down to Big Northwest too. As you can see, if you're not tucking, you're sucking. So we are definitely not sucking. Rory's already started without me. How's it going, Rory?
Great.
Yeah? You did a good job on the primer.
Just started, so here we go.
Okay. All right. Stay tuned.